Very much so. I feel that I survive social interactions. I like a small amount of time to myself each day, but I feel most judged when I spend time with others. I prefer to spend my free time with friends or family rather than being in my room reading a book, for instance. Yes, social networking websites have become part of my everyday life. My favorite one is Facebook, one of the most popular websites in the world with millions of users in different countries. On Kais, I am friends with a wide range of people from my school years, family members and friends I have recently met. I am even friends with people who I have never even met before. Yes, I love it. This social networking website allows me to keep in contact with my friends and find people that I have lost touch with. As far as I remember, one of my friends sent me an email inviting me to join Facebook. I signed up and I have been using it even since.